Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be going to the open house at the Princess of Wales Theatre in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So there's already a huge lineup and it goes all the way around the block. So let's get in line and get inside. Okay, we're almost near the front door. We should be going in soon. So come join us as we take a tour of the Princess of Wales Theatre. Hopefully we'll be going backstage and in the dressing room.
Alright.
Hello.
Totally self-guided tour if you would like to get started. This is the first stop on the tour. They will be doing this throughout the day if you'd like to come back to hear the introduction to the theatre. Otherwise, you can just start heading on upstairs. There are workshops all throughout the...
So the theater officially opened on May 26, 1993. It was the first privately built standalone theater in 50 years, financed and built by Dave and Ed Mervish. Its debut show, Miss Saigon, opened with record-setting advance sales of over $30 million. And the original artwork by Frank Stella was an instant hit and became a destination for locals and visitors alike. So right now we're gonna head down to the lounge. Diana, Princess of Wales, after whom the theater was named, was not able to attend the opening night, but sent a handwritten note thanking Dave and Ed Mervish for giving Toronto another beautiful theater. On this particular day, inside the lounge, they'll be giving away a souvenir head mask which the kids can color in. There's the mask. There's the lounge. We got the head mask here. So right now we'll be heading into the theater at the orchestra level. So at 2,000 seats, the Princess of Wales Theatre is not small. Despite its size, it is surprisingly intimate. No seat is more than 85 feet from the stage. Hi. Thank you. And I'll enjoy excellent sight lines and an acoustically near perfect auditorium. The theater. I guess.
Interesting view of this theater.
Unfortunately today you'll see nobody's allowed on the balconies.
Right now I'm 40, 45, 50. Right now I'm 40 to 45, 50. And basically that's crazy.
Okay, let's see if we can go on the stage.
When I'm turning 65, my whole passion will drop. Now, if I do that, a lot.
So the stage is 50 feet wide and 60 feet deep, with its 100-foot fly tower and all its stage machinery.
to meet my daughter. My daughter's here.
Oh, how it is to be on stage. Markings on the floor. Home back here, arts and cables.
And you can see all the dressing rooms with costumes and everything there. And also you can go one level down.
Oh, is that what it came from?
Where you need to sit, where you need to stand. Where the prop goes.
It's got the line.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Have you seen it yet?
So now we're gonna head for the backstage dressing room and the backstage trap room.
Just a little taller. Yeah. Just a wee bit taller. Wow, okay. Mother, this way.
No, okay.
Dressing room.
Everything is?
Yeah.
Just downstairs from here.
Okay.
Well, yeah, let's go down, come on. Yes.
More dressing rooms.
And face paint. Get my face paint.
Crazy how bright that is.
Wash. Yeah.
Dorosłych też rozmawiamy. Dorosłych też rozmawiamy.
Tenemos que subirlo, creo que sí. Dressing rooms are left for dressing rooms and the right has the trap room and the puppets.
That one? Yeah.
Straight to the end of the hallway to enter into the trap room. If you're coming out of the trap room, there's one head.
Here. Oh, you gotta go at the end of the line. Long line up, go to the trap room.
As primeiras vezes que eu vim aqui, cada coleção dela eu consegui. Quando eu te conheci, acho que uma vez em um ensaio.
So we'll be lining up for the backstage trap room. The trap room is located directly underneath. If a show needs scenery to be lifted onto the stage or need to have actors disappear quickly, this is where it happens. There. This is in the trap room below the stage. On display in this room will be masks from Disney's The Lion King.
Anyone has any questions?
They're not wood, they're kind of metal. So they're kind of carbon fiber. These actually all the only person who's not in the room is Jamal is actually he's so large.
Yeah, most props in theater and stuff are made out of. I'm in a theater.
We've been in theater for 30 plus years.
I'm going to Sheridan right now, so
Yeah, I did. What the?
We'll see what happens. Take care, guys.
Thanks. Oh, we were there. That's where they had the mask. Back to the front. Remember, we came this way. We went up the other way.
We're in Orchestra.
Yeah, let's go up there.
So that we know this word how we go into the stage, make sure we can pronounce everything. And then we learn the rhythm, and only then we start singing. So the song we're going to teach you today is He Lives in You. And this is a moment, it's a favorite moment in the show. It's right when Simba has just decided he's going to go back, faces Uncle Scar, gives us the Disney happy ending that we're craving. So, in this moment, Rafiki has been giving Simba this message, and now we are the ancestors. We are an extension of Rafiki. So, we're going to do that.
They don't let you upstairs. They don't let you upstairs. We've been everywhere now.
You can go up if you want. Oh, okay. Yeah, I believe so. I think they're open.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, thank you so much. You ever get tired of watching it? Are you gonna?
I don't see it.
No. I just wanted to see the view from the back of the theater and show you how it looks if you ever buy tickets back there. See how the seats are back here. Yeah, the view's not too bad back here. White downstairs, eh? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you in our next video.
But I'll be honest, guys.
Wow. Big lineup to get in.